We all make decisions every day that affect our health and well-being, especially when it comes to food. The time has come for us to start thinking about what we eat in a new way.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and author known for his work on the connection between diet and disease prevention as the president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, a global non-profit dedicated to investigating blood vessel health and its implications for various diseases. He believes that by taking certain foods and snacks, we can trick our bodies into starving these cancer cells and killing other diseases. His contributions have led to over 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. Through his research and advocacy, he empowers individuals with the knowledge to make informed dietary choices, providing them with the proper diet to safeguard their well-being against the threat of cancer and other diseases.
In a recent research study that did a meta-analysis of 57 studies looking at vitamin C from diet and cancer, it was found to lower the incidence of bladder cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, endometrial cancer, esophageal cancer, cancer of the stomach, brain tumors, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, prostate cancer, and kidney cancer.
In today's video, with the help of Dr. Li, we will uncover the power of 5 superfoods that starve cancer and prevent disease. As we age, the risk of developing cancer increases, making dietary choices crucial in our fight against the disease. Poor dietary choices can also leave us with excess fat in different body parts, making us susceptible to various additional health issues. These foods boost your body's defenses and help your body combat cancer cells, offering a proactive approach to maintaining health and vitality.
You know, this is the greatest thing, is that you can eat to actually rev your metabolism. And there are foods that can activate our beneficial fat called brown fat that actually can fight excess body fat.
Dr. Li strongly proposes tailoring our diet and eating to beat disease. In his seminars and interviews, here are some ingredients that he has consistently mentioned to be good at starving cancer and fighting diseases. But it is important to mention here that no single food can protect you against cancer by itself. But research shows that a diet filled with a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and other plant foods helps lower risk for many cancers. In laboratory studies, many individual minerals, vitamins, and phytochemicals demonstrate anti-cancer effects. By including more foods that fight cancer into your diet, you will help reduce your risk of developing cancer. Please refer to your healthcare provider for a personalized approach before making any changes to your diet plan. The first superfood recommended by Dr. Li is coffee. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages globally and has been the subject of extensive research regarding its health benefits and risks. Among these, the potential anti-cancer properties of coffee have laid down significant scientific interest. Here's what Dr. Li has to say about coffee's potential anti-cancer effects.
Coffee has a natural chemical called chlorogenic acid that does a lot of things. It improves your blood flow, stimulates your own stem cells to help your organs regenerate.
Coffee also improves the function of the gut microbiome and thus your metabolism. The high antioxidant capacity of chlorogenic acid helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to cancer. If the body's natural self-defense is active enough, it can prove itself to be the most efficient defender against cancer. Cafestol and kaweol are found in the oil of coffee beans and may have anti-cancer effects. The content of these bioactive compounds in coffee can vary greatly depending on the type of coffee bean, roasting process, and preparation method. But did you know that organic beans are more chlorogenic than conventionally grown beans? While known for its stimulating effects, caffeine also plays a role in the prevention of cancer cell growth. Diterpenes in coffee can lead to the activation of enzymes that detoxify the body, which contributes to the elimination of potential carcinogens. Coffee components also induce apoptosis in cancerous cells, facilitating their controlled death and preventing growth and spread. Recently, a study was published in the Journal of Annals of Internal Medicine, and here is what it found.
Of 171,000 people in their 50s living in the United Kingdom, and it showed that those who drank 2 to 3.5 cups of coffee per day had a 30% lower risk of all-cause mortality. That means death from any cause. The people came from a database called the UK Biobank that has 500,000 people participating.
Now here are some simple and refreshing ways to add coffee to your cancer prevention regime. Cinnamon coconut coffee. Blend brewed coffee with a teaspoon of coconut oil and a dash of cinnamon. The coconut oil adds a creamy texture and provides healthy fats, while cinnamon offers a natural sweetness and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Almond honey café au lait. Mix equal parts of brewed coffee and warm, unsweetened almond milk. Stir in a teaspoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. This drink combines the nutty flavors of almond with the robust taste of coffee, making it a comforting and healthy choice. Spiced vanilla coffee. Infuse your coffee with a vanilla bean pod by adding it to the brewing water. Once brewed, sprinkle with a pinch of nutmeg and cardamom. These spices not only enhance the flavor, but also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Date-sweetened iced mocha. For a refreshing twist, blend cold brew coffee with pitted dates, a spoonful of cocoa powder, and a splash of your choice of milk. The dates act as a natural sweetener, while the cocoa powder adds a rich, chocolatey layer to the drink. But before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by dropping your comments in the comment section. Our next superfood is soy. According to Dr. Lee, research shows that soy is connected to longevity and better health. In a study of more than 5,000 women with breast cancer, it was shown that the more soy the women ate, the longer they lived. Their soy consumption was associated with a decrease of almost 30% in the risk of death. For women who had their breast cancer completely eradicated, they also looked at how much soy they ate. In the women who ate more soy, the cancer was less likely to come back. However, this doesn't apply to women alone. Soy might play a role in lowering prostate cancer risk.
When he ran the urine underneath this thing called a mass spectrometry, okay, you see these spikes. And he found a spike that didn't belong in the human. And it only came from the soybean. And it was a spike of genistein. So he cut out that spike, which we can do in the lab, and he tested it on blood vessels that would be feeding cancer. It immediately stopped those blood vessels from growing. And so this was to discover that genistein found in plant-based foods like soybeans could actually be anti-angiogenic, and they could cut off the blood supply feeding cancers.
But what makes soy that potent? Soybeans have been shown to contain isoflavones, a compound that mimics estrogen in the body. This has raised concerns, especially among women with hormone receptor-positive breast cancer, as estrogen can fuel tumor growth. However, further research has disproved these fears. Studies suggest that soy's isoflavones may bind more weakly to estrogen receptors than the body's natural estrogen. This could offer a protective effect, blocking stronger estrogen from binding and promoting cancer growth. So if you're looking to munch on some soy-powered snacks, here are some very delicious options for you. Edamame with sea salt. Simply steam fresh edamame pods and sprinkle them with a pinch of sea salt. This snack is not only rich in protein and fiber, but also offers a satisfying crunch and a burst of natural flavor. Soy nut trail mix. Combine roasted soy nuts with a mix of dried fruits like cranberries and apricots, along with some pumpkin seeds for added texture. This trail mix is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. Tofu jerky. Slice firm tofu into thin strips. Marinate with a blend of soy sauce, smoked paprika, and garlic powder, then bake until crispy. This savory snack mimics traditional jerky in texture and taste, but is completely plant-based. Baked tofu cubes. Cube firm tofu and marinate it with your choice of herbs and spices. Think turmeric, cumin, and a dash of chili powder. Bake until the cubes are golden and crispy. This snack is ideal for popping into your mouth on the go or adding to salads for extra protein. Our third superfood is pomegranates. Pomegranates are known not only for their distinctive taste, but also for their potential health benefits, including possible anti-cancer effects. These benefits are largely attributed to the rich array of bioactive compounds found in pomegranates, such as antioxidants, polyphenols, and flavonoids. Anthocyanins are responsible for the fruit's deep red color and have antioxidant properties.
Here's what's in the juice. It's got something called elagitanins. These are bioactives that can do a lot of great things. One of the things they do is actually they can cut off the blood supply to tumors so they can starve cancer.
Elagitanins, a type of polyphenol found in foods such as pomegranates, strawberries, and nuts, undergo transformation into urolithins by gut bacteria. These urolithins demonstrate potential anti-cancer properties by inhibiting cancer cell growth, inducing apoptosis in cancer cells, and exerting anti-inflammatory effects. These actions contribute significantly to their potential role in the prevention and treatment of cancer. Additionally, pomegranates are rich in flavonoids, which possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including prostate and colon cancer. The presence of these polyphenols in pomegranates influences the expression of genes involved in cancer cell proliferation and apoptosis, further highlighting their importance in cancer prevention strategies.
But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called
Akkermansia is a beneficial bacterium that resides in the mucus layer of the intestines. It plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health by promoting the integrity of the intestinal barrier, regulating immune function, and influencing metabolism. L-argitannins also promote the growth of Akkermansia in the gut. A study done by Jiaoli Dai in 2010 revealed a unique property of pomegranates. It suggested that pomegranate extract may have the potential as a natural compound for inhibiting the growth of cancer stem cells. Cancer stem cells are a small subset of cells within tumors that possess unique properties, including self-renewal and the ability to differentiate into various cell types within the tumor. By eliminating or suppressing cancer stem cells, it may be possible to eradicate tumors more effectively and achieve long-term remission in cancer patients. Preventing the proliferation and survival of cancer stem cells holds significant promise in cancer treatment strategies. One of the most beautiful things about pomegranates is that it is versatile and can be incorporated into different recipes of juices and salads, such as pomegranate parfait. Layer pomegranate arils with plain Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This snack offers a rich source of protein, antioxidants, and fiber, making it both refreshing and satisfying. Pomegranate and nut salad. Toss pomegranate arils with a mix of nuts like almonds and walnuts, and add a handful of fresh mint leaves. The crunch of the nuts complements the juicy pomegranate, while mint adds a refreshing twist. Pomegranate salsa. Combine pomegranate arils with diced avocado, chopped cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. This vibrant salsa is perfect for scooping up with whole grain crackers, or as a topping for grilled chicken or fish. Pomegranate oat balls. Mix rolled oats, pomegranate arils, a bit of honey, and crushed almonds. Form into balls and chill until set. These snack balls are a portable, energy-boosting treat ideal for on-the-go snacking. The next superfood, or shall we say foods, are cruciferous vegetables.
And what's actually in these brassica vegetables are sulforaphanes. These are another natural chemical. And these sulforaphanes, what do? They boost the immune system, right? Good, strong immune system, knocks out microscopic cancers, also lowers inflammation. Inflammation is like the gasoline on a fire, making the cancer grow hotter and faster. When you actually calm inflammation, you're putting out the fire, all right? And actually that is very helpful when you want to fight cancer.
According to Dr. Lee, a long-term study published in the International Journal of Cancer in 2018 suggested that a higher intake of cruciferous vegetables, particularly broccoli and cauliflower, was associated with a reduced risk of aggressive prostate cancer. Broccoli stands out as a cancer-fighting powerhouse, thanks to its rich concentration of sulforaphane, a potent compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane inhibits the growth of cancer cells and even triggers their destruction through apoptosis, a process of programmed cell death. Additionally, broccoli contains indole-3-carbinol, another bioactive compound that helps regulate estrogen metabolism and may reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Cauliflower, another cruciferous gem, offers its arsenal of cancer-fighting compounds, including sulforaphane and glucosinolates. Like broccoli, cauliflower's sulforaphane content stimulates detoxification enzymes in the body, helping to neutralize carcinogens and protect against cancer development. Additionally, cauliflower is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that scavenges free radicals and reduces oxidative stress, thereby mitigating cellular damage and lowering cancer risk. So beyond the usual grab and chew, here are a few ideas of ways to snack on these wonder vegetables. Broccoli pesto dip. Blend raw broccoli with garlic, almonds, and a squeeze of lemon juice to make a fresh and zesty pesto dip. This snack is perfect for dipping raw vegetables or whole grain crackers, providing a nutrient-rich, flavorful treat. Cauliflower hummus. Process steamed cauliflower with tahini, garlic, and lemon juice until smooth. This twist on traditional hummus is lighter, but just as creamy and satisfying, ideal for a healthy snack that pairs well with vegetable sticks or pita chips. Spicy roasted broccoli. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, a dash of chili powder, and sea salt, then roast until crispy. This simple, spicy snack is not only delicious but also packed with fiber and vitamins. Cauliflower popcorn. Chop cauliflower into small, popcorn-sized florets, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with nutritional yeast, and roast until golden. This snack mimics the texture of popcorn and is a crunchy, low-calorie alternative that's full of flavor.
Matcha, which is the whole leaf of green tea powdered up, has been found by researchers to kill breast cancer stem cells. Quite amazing. Those are the baby cells that help the cancer keep coming back. But it does so much other as well. It's anti-inflammatory, good for psoriasis, and lowers stress as well.
Green tea has been extensively studied for its cancer-fighting potential, primarily due to a powerful antioxidant called EGCG. In the lab, EGCG has shown abilities to deactivate carcinogens, slow tumor growth, and promote the self-destruction of cancer cells. Though these studies often use higher doses of EGCG than you'd get from regular tea drinking, they underscore its anti-cancer capabilities. Animal studies further support these findings, suggesting that green tea polyphenols can inhibit the development and spread of certain cancers.
Who hasn't heard of the benefits of green tea? We know tea has polyphenols, they're called catechins. We know one of the catechins is called EGCG. It's actually really, really good for you. Not only does it cut off the blood supplies to help starve cancers, not only is it anti-inflammatory, not only does it help protect your stem cells so you can regenerate from the inside out, the fiber in green tea and some of the catechins, catechin itself is actually a prebiotic, helps to nourish your gut microbiome, take your gut bacteria, make it happy. It's antioxidant, good for your DNA, stimulates your immune system. It turns out when it comes to your body fat.
However, human studies present a more mixed picture. While some research indicates that higher consumption of green tea might reduce cancer risk, the results are inconsistent. Factors like tea preparation, genetic differences, and lifestyle choices play significant roles. Observational studies suggest that substantial benefits might require consuming 3 to 6 cups of green tea daily, with some Japanese studies recommending up to 10 smaller cups. Green tea's versatility makes it a perfect addition to your drink rotation. Here are some healthy green tea drinks that you can add to your recipe bank. Green tea and ginger zinger. Brew a strong green tea and enhance it with freshly grated ginger. This combination not only boosts metabolism, but also offers anti-inflammatory benefits, making it a zesty and healthful beverage. Matcha mint lemonade. Whisk together matcha green tea powder with fresh lemon juice and a hint of mint. Sweeten lightly with honey if desired. This drink is refreshing, loaded with antioxidants, and perfect for a warm day. Iced green tea with citrus slices. Steep green tea and chill it thoroughly. Serve over ice with slices of orange, lemon, and lime. The citrus fruits add a natural sweetness and vitamin C, complementing the subtle bitterness of the green tea. Green tea smoothie. Blend brewed green tea as the base with ripe bananas, a handful of spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. This smoothie is an excellent post-workout refreshment, providing hydration, protein, and a boost of energy.